Question number 6. Isometric view has to be drawn of the given object. First of all, drawing the baseline here. In the question, front view and left hand side view are given. Left hand side view is given as per first angle projection method because it is on the right hand side of the front view. We are going to use this 30-60 set square in order to complete the solution in easiest and quick way. Now, as isometric view has been asked, you don't have to use any isometric scale, you just have to use the given dimensions. Total length will be on this side, height here, and the width will be on this side. The height is given as 25 plus 56. Completing the outer box, the width 56. Draw these lines faint. These are part of construction. Now we have drawn the outer box. From here up to 25 we have already marked. You have to draw a line on both sides. Unless and until you are sure, draw these lines faint. You can dark them later. From this corner to this corner there is a inclined line. Drawing it faint because it's not actually here. It's not directly joined in this manner, but the inclination is here like this. Automatically these two corners will match if you have drawn everything correct. Now at 56 you have to take this up and you have to send it on this side in order to make it vertical. At this 56, so this 56 will be carried here automatically. It comes 56. You have to take the center of it. 56, the center will be 28. So it becomes the center. From this center, you have to take 15 mm at the center and 12 mm on each side. So 7.5 on each side first. So let's take in the compass. It will be easier. And then you have to take 12 on each side. You have to make this point vertically up, joining it like this. Similarly on this side. We have to extend this up like this. You have to take these lines here at the front face. So this is the center. This is this end of the rib, and that's the another one. Now, parallel to this line, you have to draw a line from this corner. So it meets this rib point. That gives us the height here, and you can close it like this. So this portion will be dark, even this portion will be dark up to this. This will be dark, and even this will be dark. Parallel to this, you have another line here. This is our 15 mm rib. Now this corner is joined with this, and this corner is to be joined with this one. This portion is visible here. You have to draw it. Then this is also there. This will also be dark. Joining the base corners here. Completing the remaining diagram. You have to dark the portion which you have understood will be visible. This will be dark too. Even this will be dark. In order to draw the slot here, you have to draw that given portion separately in order to find the width at the top. So I'm taking 56 here. This is the base. Then you have to take 15. So I'm using the same 15 from here in order to save time. Then you have to go up by 10 mm, drawing a horizontal line. And if the angle here is 60 degrees of this line, the opposite angle will also be 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees. Now this, it's coming 38 mm. 38 means half will be 19. So what you have to do, you have to take this 10 mm distance first. On this, you have to take the center line which you already have at the top. Now you have to take 19 mm on either sides. So taking 19. So these are the points. Whereas for the base, you already have the distance, that is 15 mm from each corner. From this side, parallel to this, you'll have this edge seen going inside. This completes the solution.